Open the remote control battery cover. Insert 2A alkaline batteries, matching the polarity markings. Then close the battery cover. Remote control boat charging method. Connect the charging cable to the boat's charging port and plug it into a power source. The red indicator light on the boat will turn on while charging, which will turn off when fully charged. Pairing setup. Pair one boat at a time. Turn on one remote control. The remote light will blink. Place only one boat in the water. When both the remote and boat lights stay solid, that boat is successfully paired. Repeat the same steps with the second boat and the other remote. Remote control method for ships. Push the lever forwards, and the boat will move forwards. Push the lever backwards, and the boat will move backwards. Push the remote control lever to the right front, 45 degrees, and the boat will turn right. Push the remote control lever to the left front, 45 degrees, and the boat will turn left. You can find us on the packing box.